When we started 29 years ago, we had a dream, we had a mission, we had an amana from the Almighty. We had to build a brand, we had to build a team, and alhamdulillah, 29 years later, we've managed to achieve that. We've managed to put together an exceptional team.
What a pleasure that we have reached this milestone in our lives, and we can say from deep down in South Africa that we are a global institution with integrity, with honesty.
For those people who walked the Oasis journey, walked the Islamic finance journey, it's been 29 years of blessings, 29 years of barakah, 29 years of togetherness, 29 years of celebration, 29 years of great energy, and 29 years of thanks.
We've brought a difference to South Africa. We've introduced something that's totally new, totally fresh. We've not only influenced the South African market, we've influenced the global market. And for people who come from Cape Town, it's a feat.